In part 1 of this series, we took a sad window, some paint and some patterns, and made a leaded glass effect with metal tape. It's a beautiful start. In this part, we've added brackets and shelves on the top and bottom to push the limits of what this window could be if we dared. And we dared, because we started to see how this window could function as furniture, with storage below and the window like a see-through cabinet. So these are our thoughts on how you could do the same for your window in your home, with love for a country house. We start with a window, a small window or a big window or a very big window. And even if your windows are separated or spread apart like this, the shelves you add will tie the look together. And so will the furniture that you put underneath. It's nice to have them in the same color. So we'll add the furniture under the window, like a table or a buffet or a cabinet, and then beautiful objects on top. Some of the windows outdoors could have shelves and furniture too, so you could place it back to back with shelving that's indoors. If your window opens sideways, it can be a lot easier to decide where to put your shelves over or inside the window frame. But if your window opens up and down, we think it's best to have your shelf start like somewhere in the center so that you can move the window more easily. And remember, you can always add more shelves on top of the window at the very top. So you want to use your shelves to display objects that look great together with light, like colorful bottles and plants and anything made with glass. We thought a lamp looked especially nice indoors, and our window is fixed in place, so it's private enough we didn't need curtains or blinds. And as for that top shelf, we haven't mentioned much about that. That's for part 3, but not to keep you in suspense, it has everything to do with these arched mirrors. And we're having a drawing in October 2020, so in this September, check the video on part 1 and you can enter to win. And check out our website for art, furnishing, and printables with love for a country house. Click the like button to see it turn a lovely shade of blue, and click the sun logo to subscribe. See you later.